Congrats are in order for New Jersey's own Fetty Wap, who received the award for Best New Artist at last night's iHeartRadio Awards. Yay, Fetty! Though he's going through personal drama with someone who just snatched his chain, it's still a good time to be Fetty. After riding to the stage on motorbikes with his Remy boys for their performance of Mine Again, Baby, that's still a jam, y'all, Wiz Khalifa presented the Patterson native with his award. In a major look for hip-hop in general, Fetty beat out Hozier, Sam Hunt, Shawn Mendes, and Tove Lo. He and Monty excitedly accepted the award, and Fetty thanked God, his fans, and his hometown for the support. Though this was a great moment for him, it wasn't the highlight of his week. Fetty also welcomed a brand new baby girl with Love and Hip Hop LA star Masika Kashela. The beautiful baby, named Kari, came to the world on March 30th. Fetty rushed to Masika's side to see his brand new baby, and though they aren't together, the two seem to be making this co-parenting thing work. Tell Fetty congratulations in the comments below or on Twitter using the hashtag BETBreaks. For more, head to BET.com. I'm Gia Peppers, and I'll see you next time.